Are you looking for the best corner toilet? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best corner toilet on the market. Before we get started with our video, starting at number 1. Signature Hardware 443130 Braeburn. All you small bathroom owners, we understand your woes. Keeping in mind your requirements, one of our top recommendations is the Signature Hardware 443130 Braeburn. This 2-piece toilet is a perfect fit for tiny spaces, and it quite successfully maximizes the space on the bathroom floor. This item is good at what it advertises. In case your bathroom is cozy, this toilet would not take up a lot of space that will leave you with no option to fit anything else. Moreover, if you have an eye for good design, you will surely like this product. With its glossy white vitreous china and chrome flushing buttons, it enhances the beauty of your bathroom. Also, the material used to make it is very strong, thereby making the product highly durable. Furthermore, it is a blessing for people who hate squeaky toilet seats. This product comes with a seat that closes without any noise and prevents any form of slamming. The mechanism used is of premium quality, and this reduces any form of unwanted noise generation from the item. Additionally, it is extremely comfortable to use this product. The 2-piece setup enables you to easily access all spaces around the toilet without much problem. At number 2. Renovators Supply Manufacturing Sheffield Corner 2-piece. For people who are looking for something that saves water and also looks beautiful, Renovators Supply Manufacturing Sheffield Corner 2-piece is a good option to consider. Even if it is a corner toilet, it comes with all the features of a conventional option. With this, you can save space and enjoy some comfort too. As environment-conscious consumers, we understand how crucial it is that we do not waste any water. And with this item, you will not end up wasting water unnecessarily. It comes with a high-low dual-button flush that makes use of water only to the extent that is needed. It also leaves it up to your discretion how much water you want to use on every flush. On the lowest setting, you will use 0.8 gallons of water per flush, and on a high setting, you will be using 1.6 gallons. Moreover, this item is completely scratch and stain resistant. So, when you are cleaning the toilet, do not worry in case you end up scrubbing a little too hard. With this item, there will be no problem with chipping or staining. The gloss prevents all forms of scratching and external damage. At number 3. Troyt Compact Corner Bathroom Toilet 2-piece. Troyt Compact Corner Bathroom Toilet 2-piece makes this list as the elegant win. It is a beautifully designed item that can easily be adjusted in any corner of your bathroom. It saves a lot of floor space and enhances the look of the area where you decide to install it. What we like the best about this product is that it comes with a WaterSense feature. To put it simply, this feature helps you save a lot of water and prevents any unnecessary wastage. You get an option to select the low button in case you want to clear the toilet of any liquid waste. This uses only 0.8 gallons for every flush. On the other hand, it also has a high button for solid waste, and in that case, it uses a little above a gallon for every flush. So, with a little bit of conscious usage, you can save as much as 25,000 gallons of water every year. This way you will save on both water and electricity charges. Additionally, it is also extremely comfortable to use this toilet since it comes with a round seat. Round seats are highly suitable for small toilets and give you the perfect comfort while sitting. Moreover, the item is highly durable and saves you the trouble of changing toilets every year or so. At number 4. WoodBridge T0020. For our next recommendation, we have WoodBridge T0020. It is a premium quality corner toilet in which everything is angled, starting from the bowl to the seat. If you are looking for a deluxe modern design when choosing your corner toilet, this is one of the best options to consider. When selecting the best corner toilets, flushing is one of the major considerations. With this item, you can rest assured that there will be no clogs or any problems of leakage. It comes with a highly glazed flushing system that provides powerful flushing without any noise. Moreover, you also get a high-end experience with this item. The seat hinge is made of stainless steel and thus does not get damaged easily by water. It also has a quick-release seat design that makes no noise when you are lifting it up. Also, the mechanism is so efficient that you would not have to tighten or loosen the seat at any point in time. Furthermore, you will not face a hard time when cleaning this toilet. It is designed keeping in mind the user's convenience. It is extremely sleek and does not have any corners or grooves that can make cleaning difficult. At number 5. Kohler K-6299-0. We understand that space is a precious factor when it comes to small bathrooms, and for that, we have Kohler K-6299-0 as our next suggestion. This option hardly takes up any floor space, given that it is hung on the wall. It also helps you to keep your bathroom cleaner as it gets very easy to mop the space under the toilet. What really stands out about this product is that it comes with a brilliant design that is geared towards saving space. It does not have a visible tank, and so you can install it in any corner or any side of your bathroom. This is practically a floating toilet. No reason to get confused. It just does not touch the ground, and instead, it is mounted on the wall, thus saving more floor space. This makes your bathroom seem larger and airier. The design is very smart in the sense that it gives an illusion of extra space. Moreover, this item comes with both a high and light flush. The flush looks pretty plush with the chrome finish button. It is installed on the wall, a little above the toilet bowl. The flushing height is perfect, and it also makes it possible to keep the toilet clean because no one has to touch it with wet hands. At number 6. Signature Hardware Braeburn. We could not have ended our list without having mentioned American Standard 216AD004.020. With this, you do not have to worry at all if you have space issues in the bathroom. However, just because it is a small space, that does not mean it cannot be elegant. This option brings a unique blend of essential features and stellar looks. This product is geared towards saving water and maximizing efficiency. The water pressure is controlled, and so is the speed and power of water when flushing. What makes this possible is the 3 inches wide flush valve. This helps in cleaning larger loads and prevents unnecessary clogging. Moreover, with this item, cleaning becomes super convenient. It is equipped with power scrubbing and bowl glazing features. When combined, these two together become a powerful formula that prevents regular toilet streaks and stains. Power Scrub is a unique feature whereby air bubbles get trapped under the rim of the toilet at very high pressure. The moment the flush is pressed, the bubbles get pushed. And this is what automatically scrubs the bowl.